Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can enable vanish mode in your Instagram chat. So for example, I have this chat right here and now I want to enable vanish mode. So if you don't know what vanish mode actually is, then it is just like incognito window where you guys can chat, and then once both the users have left the vanish mode, then that chat will be permanently deleted and there will be no records of that particular chat. So in order to enable vanish mode in any chat, all you need to do is swipe from the bottom and you need to swipe upwards. So if I'll start from here at this position, I can swipe all of the way up and you can see this toggle which says swipe up to turn on vanish mode. Simply keep on swiping and you can see that when this circle turns blue and it says release to turn on vanish mode, you just have to release your finger, and here you can see that this is the vanish mode. And then in the vanish mode, whatever you type will be deleted after you leave it. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.